I would like to take you through how you can customize your YouTube channel using professional banners and logos from scratch. What you're supposed to do, just create a Canva account. What we can do, we can just open a new tab and then search for Canva. Then you need to sign in into Canva. So you just choose to sign in using your Google account. But I had already signed in, that's why it have taken me direct. But just try and select. You select to use your Google account, and then you'll be taken into this interface. So we have, you can either use AI or you can just create from scratch. But I usually recommend, for uniqueness, just try and do some adjustment from scratch to come up with beautiful banners and thumbnail. So what we can do, we can just hit here where we have create. So you'll be asked by Canva, what do you want to create? In our case, we went to create a YouTube banner. Don't complicate life. Then you'll be given the required threshold of the YouTube banner according to the YouTube requirement. So it should be that size. So it will just load and then give you an empty sheet or an empty banner here. So let me close this one. So what we have here, you can use the sample of the banners given here, templates given here to create banner, which is more easier. But the one with these premium icon here, you need to be given, you need to subscribe to Canva in order to be able to use these. But don't worry, we can be able to do some adjustments and create very beautiful banners. So you can try and even try to ask Canva to try you to configure this banner to suit your what you need to do. So I can just say kids, or I can say, let me show you, kids background. I want a kids background for kids. So these I can get it for free, but this I need to pay some amount. But I can use this and try and customize it to suit my channel. So you can come here and name it, I change the name here and then name it maybe Megex Academy. So Megex Academy Kids channel. So do you know we can close this banner from here after using this? Since let me try and see if we adjust something, if it will have any significant effect. We can try and we can make it yellow. I think it aligns with the logo which I want to use. And then from there, when we try to upload it in YouTube, we'll be just adjusting this name and putting it in a position which it can be visible in all devices. But we can first download this one to be pre-saved. Let me try and download. So it is already downloadable and we can be able to attach it into our YouTube channel as our banner. So what we need to create again, we need to create a logo. So to create a logo, we just need to come to where we have the main menu, then click create design. Then it's just so simple. You don't need to pay for these services. You just need to hit for create a YouTube logo, then hit enter. So you shall be given some creative logos which are here. So I would recommend this one, which is recommended by YouTube, which is technically around 800 by 800 pixel. So let it open and then I show you how we can customize it to suit what we need to do. So as I told you, where we have this crown, a crown is for a king. So where we have this crown, this means you need to, technically you need to make some payment to enjoy it. So instead of reinventing the wheel, let me show you what I usually recommend. I would recommend we come to here where we have these premium templates, and then we can look. Let me select which have school school, let me say school flyers. Let's see what it can give us. So let me see. Let me try and check for more style. It has to come with the best logo for the day. So I can come up with back to school flyers and see. I want to do some adjustments, so you allow me to delete this one, and then I need to have a unique logo, which I have already an image already downloaded to my gadget, and then I need to do some adjustments. So let me show you. Let's try. So you just check this one and check which suits you, what you are doing. Okay. Let's go downward and let us not get tired until we get the one which suits. We can use this one. So what I can do, I can delete. I have deleted the whole image. I didn't want to delete the whole image. Let me show you how we will be able to come with a unique logo. We can do this way. Then we can select our image from the image which we had downloaded. So we have an image here. I pray God it fits here. It fits perfectly here. So I can adjust the width of this image. Let me adjust the width. So we can come here where we have studio. We shall name it as Megex Academy. So in case I don't have any editing skills or any graphic skills, but we can be able to create logos. Imagine kids. Let me now adjust where we have podcast and we name it as kids channel, kids channel. Then let me adjust this so that it does not look like a block. Then we can change this color, the outside color, maybe to be yellowish. Let me show you how yellowish will look. And we have our beautiful YouTube logo here, which I love it. I technically love this logo. It's a unique logo. And now we have done a YouTube logo. Very easily. Just customizing this template, and then you just be somehow creative. You don't need to overwork. You just need to be creative. So we can get back into our channel and try now and input these logos and customize them and ensure everything is visible. So we can try and hit change, and then we can come and check the first one, which was the banner. So you can notice this name is above here. So viewable on TV, it is this one. Viewable on all devices, it will be this one. But we need our viewers to know about our channel. So what we need to do, we can get back into our customization window, and then I can get back to the images which I have recently created and try and adjust that name. Or we can also check we can just get back into the customization window. Let me close this one and then adjust the logo. So let's see the logo. You can notice the name is clearly visible, but what is hidden a little bit is key channel. But when this is visible, this is good. It's a very good logo to use. Since the name of the school is visible, the key channel, even if it is hidden, it does not have a greater impact. But now what we need to deal with is with this banner. So in order to correct this banner, what we need to do, this entered perfectly. What we need to do, we can get back, and then we can try and get back to our designs. Again and again. Let me get back and get where we had these beautiful designs. So this is about exercising. There is nothing to cram. We need to do it together. So I think if we try and input it like this, maybe we change the color to, now that one is not visible. I wish the black color is always visible. Then we try and adjust it to here. I want to see something. We can back. I need to ensure this name is visible, Megex Academy, before I close the customization. So I can try and see where we need to input it so that it can be visible in all devices. So I think if it appears in this space, so that's this. So that is how we usually adjust it. So it can be in this space and key channel in this space. I think it's, wow. Let's download it and then come and visualize it from our channel. See how we do it. We don't have graphic and design background, but we can be able to do superb things using our computer, and I really enjoy doing it. So we can cancel and try and use the newer one and see if the name, when we can be able to use visually the name Megex Academy in all devices, we are good to go. I think we can, to be visible in all devices, we can adjust it backward again. So you can remind me, I made a mistake when writing the name Academy. I did a mistake, but it's very good. We shall correct it now. Academy. What is Academy, my friends? So we can adjust it backward again. We can do a backward adjustment like there, like there, like there. Then kids, our kids are here. They are being tired. Before we are able to size it back to Academy, let me drag it back kidogo, little bit, then drag this back kidogo. So you don't need to pay for these services. Just know how to work with Canva and play with Canva and be able to do great things using Canva. So I wanted to make sure this name is visible, and that is will be my happiness. I will enjoy the day. Not saying I have helped you. This is how we usually ensure everything is visible when creating this thing. So as you can see, Megex Academy is visible in all the devices. They'll be able to notice the name of our channel in the banner. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future awarding content like this. Thank you, and may Almighty God bless you.